Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. We had to order some parts in for the 370 to install today. We've got a whole bunch of parts in, we're ready to throw them all on. It's kind of a all-around video. We're going to put everything on and see how far we get. So it might be part 2, part 3, we'll see, but Ethan here is going to help me get it all installed and hopefully make the Z look a little cooler.
Hopefully.
Let's do it.
Drew, what's in the box?
Let's find out. Oh. Ooh, red.
Those are pretty.
Very cool.
Yeah.
All right, so if you can't tell, I ordered some coilovers. We're gonna be lowering the Z, and should ride better than factory.
Yeah, those are the rears. They're separate
Shock spring separate.
Bolts and wrenches. Wonderful.
Z1 Motorsports is where I ordered all this from.
Yes.
And they're a good company. I trust them. That's why I bought from them. They made these. They had a Black Friday sale. They made in-house their own coilover assemblies.
Wow.
So I'll probably end up reviewing them at some point after they've been on the car for a while.
These ones actually look like coilovers.
Oh yeah, these are actual coilovers.
True coilovers.
Yep, these are the fronts.
Wow.
Fancy.
Very snazzy. These are nice.
So anyways, we're excited to put these on. I think we're gonna go ahead and do these first, and then I got a few other parts to unbox and install as well. But we're gonna start with these, and so.
What about the little box? What's in there?
What's in the little box?
What's in the little box?
These are studs, extended studs for the spacer. This is going to be a 20 millimeter spacer, straight from Z1. It's got Z1 imprints on it.
That's for the front, 20 in the front.
20 in the front, and we're gonna space 15 in the rear. And the reason we're doing spacers, I can't afford wheels right now. So
Bought the expensive car. Can't afford the expensive wheels.
Can't afford expensive wheels, because the wheels I want are just ridiculous. So this is gonna be your 15 millimeter spacer, basically the same as those, going on the rears. And that's just to help kind of flush it out so it doesn't look kind of goofy all with the wheels all tucked inside of the fender.
What is that?
This here is a third brake light.
Fourth brake light.
Fourth brake light.
Fourth brake.
So Ethan, kind of a fan, kind of not a fan of the fourth brake light. I liked it, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it on because it's my car. So.
Yeah, they make them for the FRS and I don't like any of them, so we'll see how it looks on this.
I ordered a short throw shifter, but it's yet to be found.
It might be wiggled in one of those boxes.
It might be wiggled in a different box, but okay, let's start with suspension. Let's get these wheels and suspension, not wheels, just suspension, and space these wheels.
Bingo.
Bingo. And okay, let's do it. All right, let's go to town on this thing. First up, jack. Release the tension. You have your fancy dancy power tool, sponsored by Ethan.
It's probably going the wrong way.
It's probably going the wrong way.
Maybe, maybe not.
No, on the other side. It's going the wrong way.
Nice.
Make sure you're loosening it. Don't make this job any harder than it has to be. Hold the nut on the back side there. Break it loose.
Boom.
Boom. Out. go. Spring outward. Doink.
Oh, keep that.
Keep that. That's your mount. You want it. It's good. It's healthy for you.
Get that top one off there.
Yes. There's a rock in there. Top mount, poo-poo. Goodbye.
All right.
Poo-poo spring. Tall spring. Bye-bye.
I got you this. This.
Oh, what if I like the other orange one
I
better?
don't like it. We gotta flex the cool tools here on the YouTube channel.
Oh,
Not
fancy
these old
tools.
poo-poo tools.
Ethan got some fancy tools and he thinks he's cool now. Yeah. Spring out, 2 nuts on the top removed, bottom nut. There it is. Don't forget your little plastic ring in here as well. We're starting halfway.
And not tightening because we know we're gonna have to change it later.
Correct. Starting halfway, not tight. Gonna have to change it later. Obviously, up, down, up, down, up, down, jut, down. Look at it, measure, up, adjust, back down.
Bingo.
Just set it in the bucket. There's only one way it fits.
Yep. Gotta sit in that little nook. There's a nook. Oh.
I find it easier to do this later. Wonderful. Yep, right there. Only one way it can go in. Once you put it in there, you'll feel it.
Other way.
Got it. Oh, we got it.
Perfect.
So Ethan's just gonna jack up that bucket again, compress the spring.
So, as you can probably tell, the 370Z coilover install is taking quite a while. There's a lot of steps to it, especially on the rear. So we're gonna go ahead and divide this video up into 2 or 3 parts. That second and third part is coming soon.
This is the best part, guys. Yay. This bolt has to line perfectly to go through the knuckle.
All the things.
Oh, I knew it.
There it is.
Just a little persuasion is all it takes.
Percussive maintenance.
What percentage of a electric ratchet's life do you think is just testing which way it's going? Ethan says 8% of a electric ratchet's life is testing where it's going.
Or just going the wrong way.
Or going the wrong way.
So we're probably wrong, but from what I found online, you adjust that for height, kinda, and then you get it to where it's kinda preloaded on there, and then you just adjust this. Oh, I probably should have had you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I probably should have done that before we tighten those top lines. Hey, do you want to take those top lines? Yeah, you adjust this till the bolt goes through. With the length, you spin this bottom part out after you and then you can spin this. And once you get it there, you tighten that down. Easy peasy. put this over here and raise this thing the heck up. Because Drew's a weenie and doesn't want to slam it. Be a lot cooler if you did. Back's done.
Back's done.
Front time.
One thing to note. I bought wheel spacers, but the wheel spacers, if you put the wheel spacer on there, for the front, but look how much threads you have.
Not enough.
Not enough. So, long lug nut. Stud. Lug stud.
To eventually put on.
Eventually. We're not gonna do that right this second, but
It's gonna take forever.
because it's gonna take a long time.
You gotta take the caliper off, take the rotor off, pound every one of them out.
Go like this and just